Luisa, so I'm gonna record this in English just in case we need to transfer the task or something. But here's the deal. What I would like you to do is to go through this spreadsheet for designs. So the way it works is we have the database here, the name of the database, then here, just look at, these are basically just the results in a more generic form. You can read them to get the pattern of how we go from the paper. By the way, the paper is here, the link, all the way to this description. If you have any questions on how to go from the results in the abstract all the way to this, let me know. Method enhancement is like this. This paper is going to have a method, okay? And then we look at our list of core methods, this one. And then you use this to do the classification here. So for example, say somebody did an analysis where they were looking at risk factors, blah, 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 using like regression analysis. Well, we have, in our methods, we have something that we call causal methods, like propensity scores. So the enhancement to the regression from that paper would be causal methods here. Okay? And then this thing here is, so like this. So basically, let's say this paper focused on, I don't even know, cancer. Okay? Now, when you look at the prostate cancer, for example, and then you look at the database and see Medicare has several other cancers. So basically, the variation in the disease or the procedure would be, I could take this design, the way this analysis was done, and if it was done in prostate, for example, I could do it in breast cancer or in leukemia or in whatever. Okay? So essentially that's it. So here's what I would, so if you have any questions about this, talk with Aline. In a week from now, Meenakshi is going to be here. They know this thing well. Here's where I would like you to do. What I would like you to do, right now we're doing all of this based on databases. So it always starts with the databases. I would like you to take the Medicare claims, okay? So the term that you're going to be using for this is Medicare, not dash, but space claims. That's one term in your search. Number two, you're going to take all we have a list of high impact journals. The list is here. This is also in one of our snippets. And then you're going to take this and you are going to go to, where's advanced? Here. You're going to go to, so you have this search. And then here, you're just going to say, oops, Medicare claims. You're going to run this. And then you're going to combine the two. So you're going to do this and this. Make sense? And then when you run this, you're going to get a bunch of papers. Actually, a ton of papers based on this. What I would like you to do is to take some of these papers, look at them, and then add them to our sheet. How many? I don't know. I honestly don't know. Say 20 of the most recent ones. I would be especially interested in things like JAMA. Okay, and then finally, I would like you to do one more thing. Besides Medicare claims, I would like you to do a search for a researcher who's a really, really bright guy called Dimmick. Oops. Try again. So we're gonna do the Dimmick thing here. Dimmick and Medicare claims and all of these journals. And let's see why is this doing this? That's crazy. Why is it saying this? Dimmick. I don't know why it's doing this on my browser, but you got the idea, right? So this is just one more term in your search. Let's try like this. I think author. I don't know why I'm getting a bad request. Anyway, maybe it's some kind of... Anyway, but you got the idea, right? Now, who's this Dimmick guy? This guy's a surgeon, a general surgeon. And he does a lot of things in general surgery that we could definitely, most definitely use in orthopedics and with other specialties that we do. Okay, so I would like to learn more about what he's doing. So my suggestion would be, let's do say 10 of Dimmick, and then 10 or 20 for Medicare in general. One final thing that I would like you to ask you is the following. As you can see here, this, why is this thing doing this? There's something with the, you see, there's something wrong with this search. And my impression is that there's a journal in here that is not correct. Let's see. Yeah. There's probably something in this search that's not correct. So whenever you go, by the way, this entire thing here is inside the repo semantic tags. And then as you look through the files for snippets, there's one semantic tags, snippets, do a pull, and then there's one that's something, yeah, this one, bot pitch, la 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 la. This is the search. There's something wrong here. Okay, there is something wrong in here. And I don't know exactly what it is. So the way probably to do this, and I know this is a pain in the rear, but would be something like this. You come over here and you have to trim it. So you go through the first one. I just did shift arrow down. I cut that. I think the problem is in my computer. But anyway, it's giving us an error. You see here, quoted phrase not found. There's some kind of journal somewhere around here that's not spelled correctly or something. Once you find what that journal is, the best way to fix the wrong name of the journal is to go to advanced, switch this to journal, and then you try to find it here. So for example, if I want to find, say, the Journal of Bone and Joint, American volume, whenever I do this, I found it, it's going to give me here the exact name that I have to have in my search. Now I'm not saying, use Journal of Bone and Joint surgery. I just give it as an example. Okay? So let me know how this goes. And once you have it, please